Hello everyone. Today we are going to read the story The Tale of the Pencil. A boy named Raj was upset. Upset means to feel worried or unhappy because he had done poorly in his English test. He was sitting in his room when his grandmother came and comforted him. Comforted means to try to make somebody feel better. His grandmother sat beside him and gave him a pencil. Raj looked at his grandma puzzled. Puzzled means not able to understand, and said he didn't deserve. Deserve means to get something because of what you have done. A pencil after his performance in the test. His grandma explained, "You can learn many things from this pencil because it is just like you. It experiences, that means feels, a painful sharpening, just the way you have experienced the pain of not doing well in your test. However, it will help you be a better student, just as all the good that comes from the pencil is from within itself. You will also find the strength to overcome. Overcome means to manage to control something. This hurdle. Hurdle is obstacle. And finally, just as this pencil will make its mark on any surface, you too shall leave your mark on anything you choose to. Raj was immediately consoled. That means to make somebody happier when that person is sad or disappointed, and promised himself that he would do better. Moral of the story. What did we learn from the story? We all have the strength to be who we wish to be. It means we can achieve whatever we want by working hard for it. I hope you enjoyed the story. Read it again and again and learn the words written in red to increase your vocabulary. I will meet you again very shortly with another story. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.